today we are going to write a report. Did you hear that? We're going to write a report! And this report is going to be what not to do on a stop. Did you hear that? What not to do at a stoplight? And we are going to write 3 million words. Did you hear that? 3 million words! Yeah, I know! And remember, this report is due tomorrow. Oh, you better be quick. That night. Alright, no fooling around. We'll just have to write this report very quick. Went not to a sunlight. And, 3 million words. Oh, that's too much. But I gotta do this. First, paper. And a pencil. Wait, I don't have a pencil yet. Wait a minute. There we go. A chocolate pencil. Now I'm ready to write this report. Alright. What not to do at a stoplight? I can't even. Alright, count the words. What not to do at a stoplight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Only 2,099,997 words to go. Oh, this is gonna be harder than I thought. Wait. I know something that'll get my energy. Be right back. There, I think I got my energy. Now I can go back. 1 second later. Alright. I think I'm ready to write now. 1 minute. Right? Yes, I'm doing it. Yes, I'm doing it. 5 minutes later. Almost there and done. Now let's see how it looks so far. Only 290,000. Wait a minute. What's that? Only 2,099,999 words to go. I think I don't know how to draw an essay. Whatever. There's something else. 5 minutes later. There! Now I'll be able to write one. There we go. Almost there. Almost there. Yes! I'll just have to look at that. Oh, that's not a report, that's a drawing. Oh, will I ever be able to write a report? Oh, get it. This is gonna take hours. Wait a second. 11 o'clock! I have to get that report done until 12 o'clock p.m. And it's 7 o'clock p.m.? Come on! I don't even know how to write an essay. Forget it. Watching TV would help. 1 minute later. This is Monkey News for midnight at 11 p.m. on Thursday. AiAi has 1 hour left to write a report. What? I can't believe it. I really have 1 hour left? 35 minutes later. Oh, this is it. I'll never be able to write this report in time. Oh. At least I'll certainly try. Oh, what's the point? I can't do it. 1 minute later. Forget it! I'm going to call someone and see if they know. Alright. Hey! Hello? Hey, do you know anything about what not to do at a stoplight? Sorry, I can't. I'm too busy camping right now. It's past bedtime already. Yeah. What? Past bedtime? That's past an hour! What? Wait, I think I got some energy right now. Now I can do it. Yes, I'm doing it. The next morning. Yeah, I did it. I'm ready. All done with my report. It's time to go. Hey, where is everyone? They're at a field trip. Hey, what about my report? You were supposed to check on it. Oh, we don't have to do that anymore. They're just at a field trip of what not to do at a stoplight instead. Quit your essay right now. Okay? You don't have to do it anymore. Alright. Whatever.